Okay? Ano ba mga hindi algorithmic? Pag winidraw mo yon, loss yon. Their loss will become realized until you withdraw. Yun ang risk ng staking. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, if you're going to stake, dapat stable coin. Yung tamang stable coin. Hindi algorithmic stable coin. Doon marami nag-iba noong 2022. Noong nagkaroon ng Luna, di ba yung UST? Tatandaan niyo yon, 2022, UST, hindi yung school. Di ba? People were staking there, hindi nila mailabas sa Anchor, ANKR, and so on and so forth. Hindi nila mailabas, they wanna withdraw kasi nadidipeg na si UST. Algorithmic level siya ng Bitcoin. So dapat yung stable coin nyo na i-stake ninyo dapat hindi algorithmic stable coin, ha? Okay? Ano ba mga hindi algorithmic? Yung 1:1. Ano sabihin ng 1:1? $1 digital dollar is equivalent to 1 physical dollar guaranteed in the bank.